Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix the Microsoft Store error. Try that again, which is 0x80131500. Let's begin. First, I want you to make sure that your Microsoft Store is closed. So if it's running, you can right click over here and just make sure to exit it, okay? Then go over your Windows Start button. We actually need to check your time and date settings and also your region settings. Okay. So over here, type in time or date and time settings. Make sure this is enabled, set time automatically, and set time zone. All right. Then on the region, make sure that the country or region is appropriate to your location. Now, these seems to be very, these are very basic, but actually Microsoft Store is very strict on region and time settings, especially if you are trying and if you have encountered some card issues. It is really a big deal for them. So once done, you can now close this part. Next would be to check your Windows if there's any updates. So let me just check for any updates over here. And if it shows like mine that if there is some updates required, just make sure to download and install, reboot. And once you're back on your screen, we need to do one final thing, which is here. Click on the Windows Start menu again and type this WSRESET, which is a command to reset Microsoft Store. Click on it or run as the admin. Once done, open your Microsoft Store and everything should now be fixed. If not, reboot your PC, try again, and it should be working. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.